WhatsApp is one of the most popular instant messaging applications in the world, with nearly 500 million users in India alone. Now, the Meta-owned platform is going to start allowing users to edit messages after they are sent. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced on Facebook that users would be able to edit a message they have written up to 15 minutes after it is sent. The company said that the feature is being rolled out globally. A similar feature is already available on Apple's iMessage. WhatsApp information portal WA Beta Info had reported in March that the instant messaging service was testing the feature in beta. This feature will come in handy if you make any spelling mistakes or grammatical errors when you send out messages. To edit a message once the feature becomes available to you, all you have to do is long press on it, and an Edit option will appear. Messages that are edited with the feature will have an Edited feature alongside the message. Although there will be an edited message label, there will be no edit history shown. According to the company, this should mean that the Edit feature will also be useful if there is any information that you want to remove from a message without deleting it.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.